Hi, Taven. Are you ready to open your present? Can you say, this is from Aunt Manda? Can you say it's from Aunt Manda? Do you just want the present? Okay. Okay, everybody, this is from Aunt Manda, Uncle Justin, Alexa, and Brody. Go ahead and open it. What is it? Open it. What is it?
A big truck.
It's a big truck?
Yeah.
I don't think it is. Okay, pull. Oh, hold on. Okay, pull hard. What is it?
A big truck. That's Lightning McQueen.
It's Lightning McQueen. I think it's roller skates.
Roller skates?
Yeah.
That's roller skates. Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I love you.
I wanted to.
You want to try them on? Woo, look at you. Okay, go the other way. Do you like them? I guess we're going to try it on the carpet for a little while.
No.
Okay, do it, big guy, do it.
Try it on the carpet's a good idea before you take them off the concrete.
Yeah.
Because a fall on your butt on the carpet hurts. No, it hurts more near as much as it hurts.
Those are awesome.
How cool.
Let's see your cool knee pads. Wow.
He's figured out if he just walks on it, he's got it.
Wow. Oh no, he's stuck. Oh no, give me that belly. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Say thank you, Amanda.
Thank you, Amanda.
Say thank you, Uncle Justin.
Thank you, Uncle Justin.
Thank you, Lexa.
Thank you, Alexa.
And thank you, Brody.
And thank you, Brody.
Merry Christmas. I love you.
I want you. I got one of McQueen skates.
You got Lightning McQueen skates. Are you stomping in your skates?
No.
Okay, no stomping.
Oh.